So what is the science of reading? And what isn't it? If you've heard this term tossed about, but you're a little fuzzy about what it means, this video is for you. If you're new here, my name is Geiger. I'm the author of Reach All Readers, creator of the Measured Mom website, host of the Triple R Teaching Podcast, and I'm currently pursuing my PhD in literacy. The science of reading is simply this. It's a body of research built over decades about how the brain learns to read and how to best teach reading. Over time, many teachers and classrooms have used resources that felt intuitively like they worked, but actually weren't backed by research at all and weren't the best for many students. I include myself as one of these teachers. For many years, I was a balanced literacy teacher, and as I've shared in other videos, balanced literacy methods are not backed by research. Around the year 2017, when Emily Hanford published her first audio documentary, a lot of people began to pay more attention to the science of reading and what it means for how we teach reading. A lot of this interest began because Emily Hanford shined light on people with dyslexia, people whose needs were not being met through balanced literacy methods. When we use methods like balanced literacy that include elements that are not backed by research, we make it hard for children with dyslexia to learn to read. Those students and all students need instruction grounded in science. And that's why the science of reading is so important. For some, it's become a movement, something that lots of people are excited about, are sharing about. But the science of reading itself is not a movement. It's simply a body of research. A body of research cannot be a fad. It cannot be a pendulum swing. A body of research just is. Even if the discussion about the science of reading disappears from social media, the science of reading will remain. We will continue to revise it and add to it as more studies are done. Some people define the science of reading as covering, as they like to call it, the big five: phonemic awareness, phonics, fluency, vocabulary, and comprehension. And all of those elements are certainly part of the science of reading, but it covers much more. It also talks about things like oral language and writing and how to help students with dyslexia and many more topics. It also encompasses research on how language develops, how decoding works in the brain, how memory and retrieval function, and a whole lot more. It also overlaps with the broader science of learning. Things like cognitive load, working memory, interleaving, explicit instruction. All these things matter when it comes to learning how to teach reading well. Let's squash some myths, okay? The science of reading is not drill and kill. It's not blindly following a one-size-fits-all curriculum. It's data-based decision-making, which involves looking at the students in front of us, using our assessment data to plan instruction and remediate when necessary. Now, I want to be clear that there's not enough science of reading, so not enough research to dictate every single move you make in your classroom. The teacher's job isn't to make sure every single step they take is backed by research. We don't have enough studies measuring every single thing that we want to do. But research does show us the principles that are most likely to lead to student success. The teacher's job is to understand the research and make the best teaching decisions in light of it. I'd love to dig deeper with you in this topic of the science of reading, and that's why I wrote my book, Reach All Readers, using the science of reading to transform your literacy instruction. It's built to help you, the teacher, put the research into practice. You'll find clear explanations of the science and practical routines you can implement right away. If this topic resonates with you and you want more support in learning the science of reading and how to apply it, please check out my book, Reach All Readers, and my online course linked below this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.